All right, now that we have this awesome glitter beard, you might be wondering, how do we get it out? All right, well, I'm gonna teach you how, all right? But I don't know, I kind of like it. Like I might start doing glitter beards like maybe once a month because it kind of feels nice. All right, so let's try a different color next time. Drop a comment down below and let me know what color you think I should do next. All right, let's go. All right, so here we are. How do you get this glitter off your beard? Well, I'm gonna show you an easy way to do it. But remember, drop a comment down below and tell me what color you want, because this is kind of fun. All right, check it out. Measure my beard, put it on. That'll be better. Hey, I don't want any weird comments now. Let's go and pick that up. So I didn't do anything about that. And now we're gonna take a nice little shower. And we might try to just get it off with nothing. And if it gives us a hard time, I think a little coconut oil will probably do the trick. All right, so I'll see you guys. Oh, this soap might work too. All right, so I'll let you know what happens in the shower in a minute. See you guys in a little bit. All right, yeah, so it all came out easy. Just a little bit of conditioner I threw in my beard, which I normally don't do, but it did help it all come out. I just use a little bit of regular hair conditioner. And yeah, it came right off. No big deal. All right, I love you guys. Make sure you check out all of our awesome adventures. Bye.